Hi everyone. Okay, I'm here to show you a dance called You Broke Up With Me. This is back in March 2017, the 32 count 4-wall, improver level. The choreographer is Pelletier. He's the one that brought us American Kids that we danced to. Okay, here we go. Oh, I do want to mention one thing. There's a restart on the 9th wall. There's a step change. Okay, it's step change and a restart. So here we go, first section. Weights on your right. You're going to start with your left. You're going to do a left sailor, a quarter turn to the right, right sailor, a rock forward recover, and a shuffle half turn to the left. Okay, weights on your right, left sailor, quarter turn right sailor, rock forward recover, shuffle half turn, stepping left, right, left. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. One more time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, we're going to do a little vaudeville step like we do in pontoon, only on your first side step. You know, we do a vine, side, behind, side, heel, and cross. You're going to step a quarter turn to the left with your right for your first side step. Side, behind, side, heel, together, cross. A half turn hinge, stepping left, right, to the right. 5, 6, and a crossing shuffle, left crossing shuffle for 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay, that again. We did a shuffle half turn. We have weight in our left. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And I'm just going to show you that one so you can see the back side how that works. Because it's 4 walls anyway, so you'll be eventually doing it on this wall. So we did the shuffle half turn, so you're like this, set weights on your left. So here you go, stepping your right foot a quarter to the left. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next section. Side rock recover, behind side cross. Side rock recover, quarter turn sailor step to the left. Side rock recover, behind side cross. Side rock recover, quarter sailor step. That section with counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. From the top. Weights on your right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Starting with your right foot, weight should be on your left. You're going to step point, step point. Step point, step point. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. A pivot turn to the left, stepping your right foot forward, weights on your left after your turn. 5, 6. You're going to stomp down with your right foot and hold. But I'm going to do it like Randy Pelletier and his group did it when they were dancing it. They stomped down for 7 and clap for 8. You want to make sure to stomp down because you want weight on that right foot so you can start your dance again with the left. So 7, 8. And I kind of lift up my left, when I do that, I kind of lift up my left leg so it's off the ground so I can start my dance again knowing it's my left foot I got to start with. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do this wall here. Sailor step, quarter right, sailor step, rock forward, recover, shuffle, half turn. Step a quarter, behind, side, heel, and cross. Hinge turn, 5, 6, cross and shuffle, 7 and 8. Side rock, recover, behind, side, cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Side rock, recover, sailor. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step point, 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. Sailor, right sailor, rock forward, recover, shuffle, half turn, step a quarter, behind, side, heel, and cross. Hinge turn, crossing, shuffle. Side rock, recover, behind, side, cross. Side rock, recover, turning sailor. Step point, 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot, turn, stomp, clap. Left sailor, turning right sailor, rock forward, recover, shuffle, half turn, step a quarter, behind, side, heel, and cross. Hinge turn, crossing, shuffle. Side rock, recover, behind, side, cross. Side rock, recover, turning sailor. Step point, 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot, turn, 7, 8. Okay, the third time that you start the dance at 12 o'clock, this is what you're going to do. So let's go ahead and do the first 8 counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Here it is. The count's usually 7 and 8. You're going to change it to 7, 8 and drop off that last step. So instead of cross and cross, it's cross and. Cross and. You're not going to do the extra cross. You're going to stop right there and restart the dance. So your left foot is free to start the dance again. Okay, that's it. It's a fun dance, not really that hard, I didn't think. And so I hope this helps you out. You girls can learn this dance through the video, and that way at class we have more time to do other dances than by me teaching. Okay, love you girls. Bye.